What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll do a 12-year review on the Gore Clean Stream filter for wet dry vacuums. These work for Ridgid, Craftsman, Shop-Vac, and Genie vacuums. They can be used wet or dry, and they are also long lasting. When they become dirty and clogged with use, they just need to be rinsed off with tap water and reinstalled. I have been using mine for 12 years. Let's see how it's holding up. Before we get started, this is not sponsored in any way. I purchased these products with my own money because I want to. Also, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get into it. I bought this Gore Clean Stream filter 12 years ago. I'm using it specifically in a Craftsman 6 horsepower, 16 gallon, wet dry vac, which uses a 9-17816 filter with a red stripe. To remove the filter on this vac, you just unthread and remove the retaining nut and pull it off. The Clean Stream filter came with two pieces, the cylindrical filter and the plastic end cap. It's currently dirty and clogged. Fortunately, it doesn't need to be replaced, it just needs to be cleaned. First, tap it on something to knock off the loose debris, then just rinse it off with water. I use this heavily, among other things. Lots of metal, wood, and plastic cleanup after projects. After 12 years of abuse, there's some wear. Some rubber is separating on the bottom. Also, the metal mesh inside shows some deterioration. But these are not issues when installed. Let's get the filter back on. Here's a nice scoop of dirt, roughly 2 pounds. The vac sucks it right up, no problem. Filtered, no debris flying out of the exhaust. The Clean Stream is still handling business. It will vacuum. My dad originally recommended this filter to me 12 years ago. I just asked if he's still using his 12-year-old filter, and he is. He just rinses it off as needed. So, there's another Clean Stream still going strong. Due to the age and wear, I did try to purchase a replacement. I found that Gore has two versions of the Craftsman and Ridgid filter, part number 09085. This is the one that I have. This does not fit with newer style vacuums that utilize the quick lock fastening system. And part number 09093, this is the newer style. This filter does fit the new quick lock fastening system. There's also part number 09096, which is for Shop-Vac and Genie wet dry vacs. I went to Home Depot and unfortunately they only had the new quick lock style, which won't work in my vac. Caution! The box didn't say anything about quick lock. It just says it fits Ridgid and Craftsman red wet dry vacs. This is not true. It doesn't fit the older non-quick lock vacs. The fact that it was a quick lock style was not revealed until I opened the box and inspected the physical part. I called Gore customer service to inquire about this. The customer service rep was kind and knowledgeable. It was a nice easy call. Here's the rundown. Only the quick lock filter is sold in stores. Quick lock is the current vac system, so that's what's being supported. The non-quick lock filter is still available, but not sold retail. Gore only sells them directly to contractors. Gore customer service gave me contact information to a contractor near me, so I can buy a filter. So, if you have the quick lock, go to the store. If you have the older non-quick lock, call Gore customer service to get connected with a local contractor. Beyond this issue, this filter has been outstanding. It currently costs about $30, where the paper filter costs about $15. The Clean Stream is double the cost, but it lasts 10 times longer, and it was well worth it for me. Over the last 12 years, I definitely got $30 of value out of it. I highly recommend it. If you've used the Clean Stream, share your experience in the comments. Share your experience with paper filters as well. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. I have the power!